Oh, look at that. Wow. Ano meron dito? Oh, grabe. Oh, astig. Oh my goodness. Parang totoo. Para kung nasa ano ha. Anong meron dito? Ah, andun. Oh. Anong meron? Ah. Oh, may ibon. Ay, ay. Oh, wow. Hi, Shri. Very good. Anong meron dito sa loob? Ah, that's it? Meron pa ba? Meron ba tayong papasok? Meron pa ba dito? Okay, ano to? No way. Ay, so dark though.
That's a cherry. Collared cherry.
Oh, wow. Oh, di ba? Panalo. Ay, owl. Oh, look at that. Is that, oh, the owl? Is that owl? Oh, finally, we've seen a real,
I don't know what type of owl, but it says over here somewhere.
we,
Burrowing owl.
okay, that's nice. Oh, wow. Cactus. Of course. Grabe, guys. Oy. Oh, dragon fruit. Saan ang dragon fruit?
Well, of course it does. They got cactuses and stuff.
Yeah, that's true. You're right, yeah. It's a desert. We just believe it.
Yeah. We're in Omaha. It's the Omaha Desert.
Yeah, there you go.
Look, and there's just a piece of petrified wood.
Oh, wow. Grabe. Ano ba to? Saan ba ako lalabas? Saan ba exit neto? Ang laki naman neto. Ay, sorry.
I want like a big those because it's so satisfying. Like the lizards.
Meron pa ba doon? Paano ba ito lumabas? Oh. Meron na naman ba? Meron ba dito? Ayoko naman yan.
Really? I didn't know you guys had those.
They're the most poisonous.